Hello everyone. In the comment section of some of the videos I made during the weekend, people were asking about the exhaust fan in the background, so I figured I'd make a video of it. It's currently installed here in my temporary kitchen area. It doesn't vent anywhere, but once I put it in the permanent kitchen, which is going to be in another part of the house, it will be vented. It's a pretty neat fan. It's got a Redmond motor. Can't really see it. Let me see here. This thing kind of like twists out of here. Here we go. Redmond. All that good stuff. I can't really tell what kind of horsepower this thing is. Yeah. Anyway, there's the impeller. It's pretty cool. So, let me get this thing back into its little cradle here. There we go. Lock it in. All right, let's see this thing run. That's just because there's no sheetrock here for this to wedge against, so it just is loose. It's a pretty cool fan though. When I install it in the other room, it's going to be in the wall between the stove and the cabinet above it. Anyway, that is it for that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.